Du-Ha's Squad Box is a portable storage solution designed with everyone in mind. It can be used to store sporting equipment up to a 38-inch rifle, so you really have some options there. And like I said, it's very portable. It's on wheels, so you can roll it in and out of places as you need to. And it even has this pull-out handle, so you can use it like a rollable luggage would. So it's very easy and convenient for that reason. You have a brake on this wheel, so you can store it on an incline without fear of it rolling away. Now you also have handles on both sides and on the top, so you can lift it into your vehicle very easily. Now opening this up is very easy, but you have a couple of options. You either have this turn knob, which is what we have here, or you can use external latches depending on your needs and your tastes. And it has these shocks as well, which help the lid open, but also help keep the lid open once it already is open. On the interior, you have these trays, which have dividers, so you have a ton of options there, but even below, you have even more space, and they've even included those gun racks, so you can then store your 38-inch rifle or your ARs, whatever you have, up to 38 inches.